Movie quality videos, no camera. Yes, it's possible. Even thought you could make cinematics videos just by talking to a computer? Meet Kling O1 Edit by Higgsfield. This allows you to turn your words and photos into real videos. It is magic. Let me show you how you can do this. Tap the link on the description and you direct this page. Now for creating videos, you want first images. For creating images, I use Google Nano Banana. Just type a prompt, select image ratio, and within some seconds, you got your image. Now I create images like neon light on road, rainy days, sunset, something like this. And I created 4 images, one character and background. Now this is our main character image and I want to turn this character image video with those background. Tap the link on the description and you direct this page and select video and tap on Kling O1 Edit. For creating videos, you want first upload a reference video. For creating a video, I upload this video as a reference clip. If your video clip longer than 10 seconds, then just trim it and save. Then upload the character image and background images. Now write the prompt in video prompt section. And select video duration or aspect ratio, or you go with auto settings. Then click generate. Wait some time and your video will be generated. Stay with me end of this video. End of this video I will give you one bonus surprise, or I will show you all of the video result. Now create another video about orange juice. For creating this video, upload images one by one and I upload this reference video. Now write the video prompt. And I select auto setting. Now generate. Wait some time, your video will be ready. You can remove unwanted objects on your video and change the video style to anime, or you can make cartoon videos as well. Look at that. Kling O1 just took my words and images and created this cinematic scenes. Character lighting, even the mood, all consistent. And the best part, I did not lift a finger to marks or track anything. Now here is the biggest news. Higgsfield is the cheapest platform right now. If you take the Ultimate Plus plan, you get ultimate video generation. Make as many videos as you want. But hurry up, the ultimate offer ends soon on December 7. Don't wait, click the link in the description and try Higgsfield AI today. Now it's time to see all of the video result. So, whether you are a filmmaker, ad creator, fashion designer, or just a storyteller, Kling O1 gives you full creative power in one single engine. Don't wait, check it out now at Higgsfield AI, link in the description. And subscribe for more AI tutorials and designs.